another day, another English lesson. Noun plus preposition collocations 3. Hello again, everyone. In English, some nouns are often followed by specific prepositions. These pairings help express ideas clearly. Think of these combinations as collocations that sound natural together. Learning them can make your English sound more fluent. Let's explore 8 more common examples. For videos 1 and 2, see the links in the description. 1. Concern plus about. Meaning, worry or interest in a particular issue. Example, there is growing concern about climate change. 2. Reason plus for. Meaning, an explanation or cause of something. Example, what was the reason for his sudden resignation? 3. Response plus to, meaning, a reply or reaction to something. Example, the government issued a response to the crisis. 4. Difference plus between, meaning, a contrast separating two things. Example, can you explain the difference between these two theories? 5. Demand plus for, meaning, a strong need or desire for something. Example, there is a high demand for electric cars these days. 6. Fear plus of, meaning, a feeling of anxiety about something. Example, many people have a fear of public speaking. 7. Relationship plus with, meaning, the way two people or things are connected. Example, she has a close relationship with her sister. 8. Solution plus to, meaning, an answer to a problem. Example, scientists are searching for a solution to plastic pollution. Now watch and fill in the blank with the correct preposition. One, many people have a fear of spiders. 2. What's the difference between a crocodile and an alligator? 3. There is a huge demand for organic food in this city. 4. She has a great relationship with her coworkers. 5. The company is looking for a solution to the shipping delays. 6. The president gave a response to the journalist's question. 7. What was the reason for the flight cancellation? 8. Parents expressed concern about their children's safety on the climbing wall. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.